Welcome to WonderKids Workshop, where young minds ignite, explore, and create wonders. The topic of education and employment encompasses the relationship between the education system and the workforce. It focuses on how education prepares individuals for employment, equipping them with the necessary knowledge, skills, and competencies to succeed in the labor market. Here are some key details on this topic: skill mismatch. One of the key issues in education and employment is the existence of a skill mismatch between what is taught in schools and what employers require in the workforce. This mismatch can lead to unemployment or underemployment among graduates and shortages of skilled workers in certain industries. Alignment with labor market needs. To address skill mismatches, there is a growing emphasis on aligning education with the needs of the labor market. This involves identifying in-demand skills and competencies and integrating them into curricula and training programs. Vocational education and apprenticeship programs are often designed to provide students with practical, job-relevant skills. STEM education. In many countries, there is a push to promote education in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM fields. These disciplines are seen as critical for innovation, economic growth, and competitiveness in the global market. Efforts to improve STEM education often focus on attracting more students to these fields, improving teaching methods, and fostering collaboration between educators and industry. Soft skills development. In addition to technical skills, employers increasingly value soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, teamwork, and adaptability. Education systems are recognizing the importance of incorporating opportunities for students to develop these skills alongside academic learning. Project-based learning, internships, and extracurricular activities can help foster soft skills development. Lifelong learning. Rapid technological advancements and changes in the nature of work mean that individuals need to continuously update and acquire new skills throughout their careers. Lifelong learning initiatives aim to provide opportunities for ongoing education and skill development, enabling workers to remain competitive in the evolving job market. Entrepreneurship education. There is growing recognition of the importance of entrepreneurship education in fostering innovation, creativity, and self-employment. Entrepreneurial skills such as risk-taking, resilience, and business acumen are increasingly being integrated into educational programs at various levels. Career guidance and counseling. Effective career guidance and counseling play a crucial role in helping individuals make informed decisions about their education and career paths. Schools and colleges are implementing career development programs to provide students with information about different career options, labor market trends, and skill requirements.